In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Odoo Website Builder. You will follow along in the Odoo website app and learn how to edit a page, add elements, adjust styling, and finally save and publish your work. Take a moment to make sure you are signed in to the correct workspace and that you are ready to build or update a website page. First, open the website app. This is the main place where you manage your public pages, look at your site structure, and access the website builder tools. When you open the app, you should see your website options and a view that lets you work on pages. If you are not already on the page you want to edit, go ahead and locate the correct page inside the website area before continuing. Next, click Edit in the top right corner to open the editor. This step is important because the editor mode enables drag-and-drop controls and editable settings for your page. Once you click Edit, the screen typically changes to show editing tools, plus the ability to select elements directly on the page. Give the editor a moment to load so that all elements and panels appear correctly. Now that the editor is open, you can add content using blocks. Drag and drop blocks, which are elements like text, images, and forms from the right-hand panel onto your page. As you do this, pay attention to where your block appears on the page. You want it to land in the section or area where it will look right in the layout. If your page has multiple sections, the block placement guides help you understand where the element will be inserted. After placing a block, the next step is to customize it. Click on any element on the page to customize its content, style, and settings in the left-hand panel. This is where the editor becomes very powerful, because you are no longer limited to the default settings. Click the element you want to change, then look to the left-hand panel for options related to that specific element. For example, if you selected a text block, you can typically edit the text content. If you selected an image, you can usually adjust the image and related properties. Once you have your elements looking how you want locally, you can adjust the overall appearance of the site. Use the theme menu to change fonts, colors, and layout styles globally. This matters because it keeps your website consistent. Instead of changing styles one element at a time, theme settings apply your design choices across the page or even across the entire site, depending on how your theme is configured. When you are satisfied with the content and styling, click Save to apply your changes. Saving ensures that your edits are stored and that you can come back to them later without losing your work. It also helps you avoid surprises if you need to refresh the page or continue editing at a later time. If you have made several edits, saving at the right moment keeps everything stable. Finally, when everything looks correct and you are ready for visitors to see the updated page, click Publish to make your page live. Publishing activates the changes for the public version of your website. Take a quick moment before publishing to confirm that the elements you added are present, the text is correct, and the theme styling matches what you intended. Once you publish, the page will reflect your updates for users accessing your site. And that covers everything you need to know. With the editor open, you can add blocks, click elements to customize them, adjust global styles using the theme, save your progress, and publish when you are ready.